Yo, what's up guys? It's me Boris and welcome in today's trade recap. Today I took two trades. One is still going and the second one was a winning trade. We'll go over the day and this trade first and then hopefully uh, we'll hit stop loss or take profit during this time. So today obviously I was very bullish because we are at all-time highs. But okay, wait. Yeah. Market open was here. But yeah, we also just swept all-time highs before market open, so I knew that we would wanna see some sort of retrace um, or manipulation, and we got perfect manipulation during market open. ES swept every single low, and we created this big SMT here. From there, just waited for some internal SMT and entry. Um, this was yeah, here, and we got some small internal SMT right here and also here, but it was after I took the trade. So basically here we created small SMT and from there I just waited to inverse this fair value gap. We inversed it, I entered. I got pretty bad fill. I wanted to get filled here, but sometimes it happens. My stop loss was at the body of this candle and I was targeting 1.2 risk to reward. So here was my break-even point. We actually came back and created another bullish SMT and then ripped to my take profit. I kinda knew that once we push through this high, we would get a big bullish reaction, but I was happy with my 1.2 risk to reward. And yeah, the second trade. Um, Here I kinda like waited. I wasn't even looking at the charts here. And because we just pumped and I knew that we have to wait for some structure to make. But yeah, I was waiting for this 15-minute fair value gap to get tapped. We tapped it on both ES and Q. We also swept this liquidity, which looks really nice. And from there I waited. Oh, okay, and take profit hit. Um, and from there I waited for this inversion fair value gap right here. I wasn't looking at the charts, so I entered also a little bit late. I entered right here after we saw a bullish reaction off of this fair value gap. I had a really loose stop loss right here. I know that this trade would also be nice, like stop loss here and take profit, let's say oh, 1.2 risk reward, so basically like here. I know it would also work, but I like to have my stop loss a little bit looser. Um, and I like to give the trade more space. During this trade, we created a bullish SMT. So basically here we are still respecting this fair value gap, but we created turtle soup or internal manipulation, however you wanna call it, which looked really, really good. And then we went to break even another SMT, and yeah, I was targeting 29 190, so basically like a whole number, and we tapped it perfectly. Yeah, it's crazy that I got filled, but that's really good. I'm up 1.1k on the day, so I'm pretty happy. This in this trade, I risked only 400 bucks. So as you can see here, I should have traded with 6 contracts, but I took it with only 5 because I was already up on the day and I kind of didn't want to risk it. It was a very, very good setup, so I definitely could have taken it with 6 cons, but that's like, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I am 700 bucks away from passing the eval. I have been trading really good for the past days. I know that on Tuesday and Wednesday I lost a lot, but right now I'm making it back. So yeah, I hope that I will pass the challenge in the next week. Have a nice weekend, guys. Peace.